Hi everyone, it's Lottie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my September favorites. I don't have tons of products to talk about, but I do feel like next month I'm going to have a lot to talk about just because I've been testing out a few new products and I'm instantly obsessed with it. So I know I'm going to be using that all throughout next month, but I just wanted to jump straight in. So hopefully this video is not going to be super long because I don't really have a lot to talk about this month. So the first product I wanted to talk about is this guy right here. It's super dirty. I just filmed this look that will be up soon, but I just finished using this, so that's why it's just nice and messy. But this is the Juno microfiber sponge. I've been using this for the past couple of months and I absolutely love it. I filmed an entire quick mini full review on it, so I can link that down below for you guys where check it out if you haven't and you're curious about the pros and cons about this guy. The next couple of products I want to talk about I received from my Boxycharm. I'm kind of separating it because I used this one earlier and it's still dirty. But these are the Moda 5-piece brush set that they gave us. I have been using every single one of these brushes. I haven't used this one is called the line brush. I haven't used this one yet, but all four of these I have been loving and using in pretty much every single one of my tutorials or just every time I'm doing my makeup. They're just such good brushes. The handles feel so good. The quality is just amazing and I've just been in love with all of this. So this right here, love. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I've featured this and I've talked about this bronzer a lot. This is $6. It is the Lottie London Tan Time Bronzer. This is in light medium. I want to get the darker shade also just because I really like this formula, and I love not only bronzing up my face with this, but I especially love using this as an eyeshadow, especially when I'm just in a rush on the go. This is just the perfect tone for me. I do have naturally red eyelids, so this is pretty much my eyelid shade, but better. It just has the perfect amount of warmth, and I don't know, I don't have enough good things to say about this. So yeah, absolutely have been loving this and I've been reaching for it a lot lately. And I also bronzed my face up a little bit using this product too, so yeah, it's so good. I have also been loving this Huda Beauty Banana Bread Loose Baking Powder. I have been on a mission looking for the perfect baking powder for underneath my eye area. One that's not going to make it look crepey, dry, chalky, just I've been struggling finding the perfect powder and I've honestly found it. This is just the perfect shade for underneath my eye area. It's not overly bright. I know if I want to go brighter, I can go in with a lighter shade, but this is probably the perfect shade for me because I can also set the rest of my face with this lightly. I don't bake my entire face, just the areas that I really need it, and this has just been working really well for me. The next product I want to talk about is this mascara. I have been looking for a really good mascara for a while. You guys know I'm not a fan of buying high-end mascaras. I just feel like it's a waste of money. I just can't spend $20–30 on a mascara that I need to toss after a couple of months, but this is $5 and it's so good. I like this more than any other mascara I've actually ever used. I used to use, because I have really small, tiny little baby lashes, and this honestly makes such a difference. Or, you know, if you're looking for a mascara that's not going to break the bank and it's going to enhance the lashes that you have and really give you that effect, I definitely recommend trying this out. The next product I want to talk about, I only recently started using a couple of weeks ago and it's so good. I just wanted to tell you about it. It is this LA Splash Art-ki-Teki Slim Liner. This says it's waterproof. I don't know if it's waterproof. I haven't had any issues with it bleeding, smudging, transferring, running, bleeding into little fine lines. It's just been so good. I don't know, I feel like since I've been using this, my eyeliner goes on a lot cleaner, a lot crisp, and it makes it such a perfect tip right here, let me see if I can just kind of move it so you guys can really see. It's just so easy getting my little inner corner wing, and it's the eyeliner that I'm using today, so definitely recommend this eyeliner. And the last favorite I want to share with you is a nude combo that I have really been loving and borderline obsessing over for the past month. It is very affordable. It is my Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner and this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Nudist, and oh my god, I honestly, I wanted to try this liquid lipstick out for the longest, but it was just always out of stock. You know, every time people talk and rave about products, you could just never find it. That was the struggle with this, and I recently picked this up. They had one last one where it wasn't tampered with, and as soon as I got home I tried it, and it was seriously the most beautiful nude. I'm gonna swatch it for you so you can see what I'm talking about, and I'll also swatch the lip liner so you guys can see. It has a really nice scent to it. So this is the lip liner and this is the lipstick. I did do a heavy swatch. You only need a very thin layer. I always notice when you do liquid lipsticks, especially certain formulas, you have to be really careful when applying it on. You don't want to go really heavy-handed. You just want to do a really thin layer, blend it out, and if you want to go in with another layer, then work in thin layers. But I've really been loving it. It's been my favorite go-to nude at the moment. But yeah, that concludes my September favorites. Let me know in the comments below what your favorites have been recently or for this month. Maybe, you know, it's something new I can check out, and who knows, maybe it'll be in next month's favorites. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.